Hey guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. I just got a new package I'm gonna install tomorrow morning, but this big box is sitting in front of my door, so I need to open up the box, see what's in it, move it into the garage so I can take it to where I'm gonna install it tomorrow. It's a DV8 tire carrier, and let's take a look inside the box and we'll do an install. Guys, here's the box. It had three big packages full of air. The packaging was okay. My dogs love it. I let them play with it, but this is what I got. Here's the packing list. It's very faded out, but hopefully everything is here. There's the tire carrier, and this is the hardware. There's some of these are going to be the little, so these are for the sides. So it's just three. Four. So you got the tire carrier and then two packages of hardware. So yeah, I'm gonna move it into the garage and then we'll do an install tomorrow. Alright guys, finished the install of my DV8 tire carrier and I think it looks pretty good. It wasn't really an install video because took a little longer than I thought, and yeah, there's a lot of other install videos out there, but what I do want to show you, let's take a look at this. Freaking rad, isn't it? It looks so good. I'm really happy. Wife wanted me to keep it black, so I'll go red for a little while, and then I don't know, if I don't like it I'll go back to black. But let me show you a few things that some of the other install videos missed. Okay, first thing is this cam bolt right here. This is, man, I can't express how important this is. So I took off the hinges first, have to grind off the pin. Like I said, there's a lot of other install videos out there to show you how to do it. Once I put the tire carrier on, put this bolt and this bolt on pretty loose, and then we put the cam bolt in. The cam bolt is what adjusts the so you see it's pretty straight, at least straight as the eye could do. Before we even did this cam bolt, this was lower, probably about an inch lower, and if it goes any lower, this bolt is inaccessible. Like, that's pretty much the bottom that you want to go. A lot of people say, oh, put the tire in, bring it over, wherever it ends up, that's where it is. No, use the cam bolt to bring this up so it's right top, almost flush with this. There's a backing two, and then a backing with the rest. It was really easy with the flush lights because I just pulled this out and I was able to get right to it. I changed out the pins as well, and I went with these trailer hitch pins, which, to be honest, I think they look better. Default locking pins are a little weird on a DV8, so I'll put a link to these, but these are just $12 trailer hitch pins. They're 1/2 inch width, but you can see I can do this with one hand. Bring it out, smooth. I have a third brake light here as well as a camera. I used loom just to hide that, and you can see as I close it. Let me put up the wire. One hand, boom. It's that simple. Get out the trailer hitch, put it right in. Boom. That simple, guys. It is not that hard of an install. This took maybe 2 hours at the most. I did have a helper that definitely went smoother. The only hiccup that I had that you probably won't have is I had to cut off because the old tire carrier I had on here, this is a body armor bumper, this came up as well as this spindle came up, so I had to cut both of those off, but you can see it came out great. So check them out, DV8. I do have an affiliate link. You can use FERGIE as a code. Like, subscribe, let me know what you want to see next. I'm loving my Jeep though. Doesn't it look good? See you guys.